this video, we are going to see how we can change the Facebook profile language back to English. So if you have accidentally changed it to some other language, here's what you need to do. First of all, just click on the profile icon, and from here, just choose settings, and you choose language here. And from here, just click on the Facebook language, and you should be able to change it in any specific language. Let's say we click on this different language, and immediately it will be converted right away. Similarly, if you have, let's say, enabled Arabic, now you will find all the account options on the left hand side. Right here, you click on that, you click on the settings, you click on this language, and you change it from here and choose English again. It will reload this profile and it should show you the options. Alternatively, you can also head over to the settings. If you don't find the language option here, click on the settings. And if you scroll down under the preferences section, you will find language and region. Click on that. And under the account language, just click here and you will find the similar options from here as well. You choose any language, it will again refresh the browser and it will change the complete app language for you. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.